I was your age, I'd give anything to fall in love truly was all I could think. That's when I met your mother, girl of my dreams, the most beautiful woman that I'd ever seen. She said, boy, can I tell you a wonderful thing? Can't help but notice you're staring at me. No, I shouldn't say this, but I really believe I tell by your eyes that you're in love with me. Now, son, I'm only telling you this because life can do terrible things. Now, most of the time we'd have too much to drink. We'd laugh at the stars and we'd share everything. Too young to notice and too dumb to care. Our love was a story that couldn't compare. I said, girl, can I tell you a wonderful thing? Made you a present with paper and string. Know that I love you, asking you please. Loved you a long time, will you marry me? Now, son, I'm only telling you this because life can do terrible things. You'll learn one day. I hope and I pray that God will show you differently. She said, boy, can I tell you a terrible thing? It seems that I'm sick and I've only got weeks. Please don't be sad now, I really believe that you are the greatest thing that ever happened to me. Sorry, I fell to the ground on my knees. So don't fall in love, there's just too much to lose. If you have a choice, I'm